Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2012 Chevy Avalanche. We're going to start on the driver's side, just looking up and down the panels for any signs of wear and tear, dents, dings, scratches. Nice chrome accent on this pearl tri-coat paint. This is an LTZ model. This is all color keyed as well. Coming around to the rear, looks really good. All the paint looks like it's in great shape. One little chip there. Overall looks really nice. Stop and take a look at these tires here. Still have a lot of tread left on those. Nice polished wheels. Looking in the back now. So we'll give you a shot inside the bed of the Avalanche here. Now with the Avalanche bed, each one of these panels can come off individually and be either stored in here or removed, giving you basically a full-size truck bed. Looking at the interior now, you do have full power for the driver's seat. Nice black perforated leather seating. 104,940 is your current mileage. It does have satellite radio, navigation, dual climate control. Everything is trimmed out in this nice wood grain. You do have a sunroof in this model as well. Taking a look now in the back seat, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seating surfaces. It looks perfect back here, like it's never been used. This is kind of unique. There is a rear seat DVD entertainment. It still has the plastic on it, so it doesn't look like it's ever been used back here. And then you do have rear climate control as well as your auxiliary ports for that unit. Taking one more look from the passenger side. There is an integrated armrest back here for the backseat passengers. Now the reason I like the Avalanche, it's one of the most versatile vehicles on the market. When these seats are folded down, this back hatch can actually unlock, open, and then you have full pass-through storage from the very back of the tailgate all the way through, which gives you a lot more versatility than most other vehicles. We'll finish up on the passenger side. You do have full power for the passenger as well as the driver. Flip that out of the way. We'll take one more look around. And that'll wrap up your 2012 Chevy Avalanche.